Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video what we'll do is we'll add a RAM stick, and for opening the laptop backlit, or of opening the laptop, if you don't know, you can check my previous video where I've shown how to open the laptop backlit. Now here's the RAM stick, which consists of, just check for the frequency of the RAM. Okay, for me it's 2400, which is too low, but it varies. It may goes to 2600 to 3500, 5000 also you can get. So you can go to task manager and get the details, and for that you can just go to task manager and go to the RAM management, and there you can see the frequency of the RAM. Okay, and opening the task manager is quite easy, right? You can click on, or you can go through Windows plus X and search for the task manager, or else you can go for you can use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus Escape, which will open for the task manager. Okay, so guys, to insert your RAM, first make sure this cut is aligned to the place where it is, where we have to put. Just make sure how to put, and don't insert it like this. Make your angle 45 degree like this. Okay, and then press it further, and then what you have to do is you just have to press it so that it will just go inside that. Okay, and you can see it is completely aligned with that. And if you have to remove it, you just have to push it back here. I mean, just press these things. You have to press these two latches, okay, which are holding this RAM, and after that it will come out. Okay, so it's quite easy to insert. And now we'll just put the back lid here.